welcome back to another video. It's BensciBonAppetit. In today's video we will be comparing two different types of spaghetti, whether you mix the sauce in or put it on top. If you like these type of cooking videos or want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Also like the video. If you have any ideas about future content ideas, put it in the comments below. Anyways, let's get started. First thing we do, we boiling the water, cooking the meat for the sauce. I'll be right back when that is done. As you can see, I got out the supplies, these spaghetti noodles, grated Parmesan cheese. I have my spaghetti sauce, getting the boil set up, water boiling, and everything set up. So let's get that. I'll be back when that's done. Notice from overhead view, I am browning the meat. Water's still getting ready to boil, and that will continue for another couple more minutes while everything continues to cook. So just a minute intermittent update, and I'll be back at least 5 minutes. And if you want to add seasoning at this point to either the water or the meat, you can do that as well. Pepper, salt, or any other spices. So I'll be back when it's closer to being finished. Okay, so we're back and the water's boiling, so it's time to put spaghetti in there. Yeah, we got part of one box and I'm gonna open another one. And then the meat's also done. Okay, so what I'm doing in this video is we're testing two different ways. Mixing in the sauce versus putting the sauce on top. I'll take half the spaghetti and half the meat's done, so I'm gonna pour the sauce into it. Anyway, there we go. There's the sauce. And then, I'll be back by putting a little more sauce in there. So we'll have two batches, so I divided it in half for the test. And for the sauce here. And so I'll be right back. After that, we'll have everything finishing up, plating, and then review of which one is better. Anyways, I'll be right back. So after spaghetti has cooked, you strain it like this. Do that. Make sure you don't get any noodles in the bottom of the pan. Since I do it, it's half and half. Put half of the noodles back in here, so and mix it with half of the sauce. Okay, now that I got the spaghetti divided, I'm gonna carefully divide this in half. So we got half of it. Now we mix in the spaghetti. Now we might need to add more sauce to this. So I have it on top. Anyone else thinks it's better on top? Let me know in the comments below, or if you like it and mixed in as well. If you want to see more of this different, like this type of cooking video, like different styles of cooking, make sure to like and subscribe because I have more cooking videos in the future. So, anyways, back after I plated them, and then we'll tell the difference. And we're back, so we got it plated. So right now I'm just putting the Parmesan cheese on. After this, we're going to taste test both of them. So there we go. And I'll be right back after I'm done. Okay, for the final taste test, we got both our pasta with the sauce on top, and then we got this pasta with the sauce mixed in. Both have a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. So I'm gonna taste this one first since I really like this way best. So let's go. So good so far. Just how I would expect spaghetti to be. Like I always have it, like this. But if you like it the other way, let me know in the comments. Also like this video if you like my way. If you like it on top of this. If you like the sauce on top. So make sure to like if you like it that way. Anyway, let's try the other one. Okay, let's go. Now I can immediately tell the difference a little bit. It is like, since the sauce is mixed in here, it is and it's maybe a slightly different texture because there's like sauce on top. You got layered on with this one, and that with this one. But this is all together, all the textures together. So it is a little bit different. And let me know why you think this or this one is better in the comments below. So pretty good though. But I still like this one better. Yeah, let's just eat some more of it. It tastes good. Yeah, Parmesan is pretty good. This one, grated Parmesan cheese. So yeah, it's pretty good. Maybe it's a little bit more on here. Because who can have enough Parmesan cheese? It's always the best. Anyways, so I have more upcoming ideas for videos. So I'm gonna remake cheesecake. I'm gonna actually make a different cheesecake this time. So I'm planning on recording that either tomorrow or next week. But that's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you like cooking and you want to, if you have or have any suggestions or your own recipes you want me to try, comment them below. So I might try them one day. So especially if we get to milestones, our subscriber milestones, like 100 subscribers. Once we get there, I might do a viewer special at 100 subscribers. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Anyways, I'm BensciBonAppetit. You can always check out my other channels, any other social media, my Twitter and my Twitch. Should have that all linked in the description. My main channel, Bensci Games, where I'm all over the place on there, mostly gaming and other IRL content. But if you like this cooking channel, make sure to like and subscribe. But that's all for tonight. This is BensciBonAppetit, and I'll see everyone in the next kitchen. Logging off. Bye.